All right, I was hoping that you would try these out first and then we could talk about them. 27, 28, 29. If you just say, oh, I can't do them, and you move on, that's what I did not want you to do. I want you to at least do as much as you can. So for 27, you have to bring back knowledge from first semester. This is an isosceles triangle, so we know the base angles are going to be the same. So 43 and 43. Also, there was that theorem, if you have an angle bisector, you know it's going to approach the other side at a 90-degree angle. And that's helpful, so now you know you can use SOHCAHTOA. So you have to find x. So we have opposite, and this is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. So we're going to have tan of 43 equals opposite over adjacent. So again, SOHCAHTOA. Put that over 1 and then cross multiply. So x equals 5 times tan of 43. So x is going to equal 4.6625. It does say find the value of w, then x. Oops, I did x first. Round lengths of the segments to the nearest tenth. Round angle measures to the nearest degree. So I'm going to say this is 4.7. I didn't follow directions very well. It told me to find w first. Which I know why they're saying that is because if you look at just this first triangle, the only information we have is 43 degrees. We don't have x, we don't have w. So going back to an isosceles triangle, these two segments here will be the same. So that will give you, so w should be 5. The book asks you to solve for w first, just to see if you're able to get that value. You could do x first and then work backwards, put your 4.7 here, and then use tan of 43, but w should be 5 for that one. For 28, looks like you have 2 right triangles going on here, so I'm going to redraw those. I have 56 here, 10 here, w here. So maybe I'll follow directions this time and find w first. So here is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. So I'm going to use tan of 56 equals opposite over adjacent. So now watch this. When I cross multiply, I'm going to get w times the tan of 56 equals 10. So we want to get w by itself, so I'm dividing everything by the tan of 56. Tan of 56 is a team. You can't separate tangent from 56 because when you take tangent of an angle, you can't just take tangent of nothing. So make sure when you're dividing by that whole quantity, tangent of 56. So I'm going to put my calculator 10 divided by tan of 56. Again, overemphasize parentheses. So tan of 56. So it's going to say 6.745. Direction says to the nearest tenth, so that's 6.8 for w. Or w, whatever you want to call it. So 6.8 is your w. It's asking for x as well. So I'm going to change the color up. So we have another angle here, or triangle. 6.8. We have 10, we have 34, and we're trying to find this length here to be x. So x on this picture is from here to here. So if I find the whole value of the bottom, actually let me call that y, then if I know part of it is 6.8, I can just subtract that out to get my x value. So find the whole length at the bottom. We have opposite over adjacent. So tan of 34 equals opposite over adjacent. Cross multiply, 10 equals y times the tan of 34, divide by the tan of 34, divide by the tan of 34. So 10 divided by tan of 34 gives me 14.8. So I know this whole length is 14.8. So if this is 14.8, and you know part of it is 6.8, this is 14.8, what would x equal? And you're probably yelling it right now, but yes, x equals 8 for that. So you had to find the whole length first, and then subtract what we know and what